Is your DJI Mini 3 Pro stuck at the default 120 meters maximum altitude and you are wondering if it's possible to change it to 500 meters? Well, in this video, I'll show you a simple method that worked for me and it doesn't require any third-party apps, firmware hacks, or risky modification, just a few settings inside the controller. And I'll also explain why this works for some users but not others, and an important legal warning that every drone pilot should know before increasing the altitude limit. So let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to Devices Setup. If you enjoy DJI Mini 3 Pro tutorials, drone tips, and other tech guides, then make sure to subscribe because I regularly post videos that help you out get the most out of your devices. Now let's unlock that altitude setting. The first thing you need to do is power on your DJI Mini 3 Pro and your remote controller. Wait until both devices are fully connected and you can see the live camera feed. Once everything is connected properly, turn only the drone off while keeping the remote controller powered on. This step is important, so don't switch off the controller. Now on your controller, tap the three dots in the top right hand corner to open the settings menu. Go to the safety tab and look for max altitude and max distance. Tap on max altitude and if you are lucky, you will be able to increase it from the default 120 meters to all the way up to 500 meters. And you can also change the maximum distance according to your preference. But here's something many people experience. If the altitude is still locked at 120 meters, don't worry, that happened to me too. Simply turn the drone back on, wait for it to reconnect, switch the drone off again while leaving the controller on and repeat the exact same process. In my case, I had to try several times before the 500 meter option finally appeared. So don't give up if it doesn't work on the first attempt. Now you might be wondering why some people can change the limit while others can't. The answer is that this depends on several factors, including your DJI app version, your drone's firmware, your region, and DJI's software restrictions. So if this method doesn't work for you immediately, it doesn't necessarily mean you are doing something wrong. Updating or sometimes even changing firmware versions can affect whether this option is available. Before you actually fly at higher altitudes, remember that changing the settings doesn't automatically mean you are legally allowed to fly that high. Many countries have regulations limiting drone flights to around 120 meters above ground level, and those rules are there for safety and to help prevent conflicts with manned aircraft. Always check and follow the drone regulations in your country before every flight. Flying responsibly protects both your drone and other airspace users. I hope this guide helped you unlock the 500 meter altitude option on your DJI Mini 3 Pro. And if it worked for you, let me know in the comments how many attempts it took. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Thank you and have a blessed day.